Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong full moon in Scorpio sa May 13, 2025 at 12:55 a.m. Philippine time. So, pwede itong mas makaresonate sa mga Aries rising. Pwede rin naman mag-resonate sa mga Aries sun or Aries moon. So, for you, Aries, itong full moon in Scorpio is happening in your 8th house. 8th house is a very powerful house. This is, marami to maraming ganap, no? Maaring, yung iba sa inyo, Aries, may mga major changes sa relationships ninyo or sa businesses ninyo, if you have a business, or sa finances ninyo, even sa inyong relationship na sexual, okay? So, maaring you may be letting go of, hindi naman para sa lahat to, but if you are, kung ikaw ay engaged ka sa mga relasyon na walang commitment, yung tipong friends with benefits, okay? So, you may be letting go of that dahil alam mong walang patutunguhan, yung ganong klase. Maybe you are realizing na sayang lang ng oras yon, pagsasayang lang ng oras. I also see na meron kang mga matatapos na mga loans or contracts na alam mong somehow negatively impacting your finances. So, kung meron kang loan sa bangko or loan sa mga iba pang lending companies, you might be finishing up, no? Parang itatapusin mo yung loans mo na yon. Yung iba, paaring meron kang ibibentang gamit or any possessions mo, like, halimbawa, sasakyan, appliance, or any property mo to pay off yung loans mo para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind. Kasi meron tong positive aspects sa 12th house mo, which is about your spirituality, your mental health. And meron kasing tinuturo sa'yo rito na mga lessons, life's lessons mo na through your experiences pagdating sa pag-handle mo ng pera, ng finances mo, ng possessions mo, ng mga gamit mo. Yung iba kasi maaring hoarder kayo, yung tipong bili kayo ng gamit kahit hindi nyo naman kailangan kasi nakyutan lang kayo or you just feel like it pero hindi nyo pala kailangan na itatambak mo lang din pala. So, sabi nga nila kapag daw masyadong maraming gamit, makalat, pati raw yung isip ng taong nandoon, nakatira doon, magulo rin. So, you might be also decluttering, no? Ito yung mga iba nagko-conduct ng garage sale, 'di ba? Or nagdo-donate ng mga hindi na ginagamit na kagamitan or nagbebenta ng mga gamit na hindi nyo na kailangan. And this will do something good sa finances mo kasi makakapag-raise ka ng funds and at the same time, mas ma-organize mo yung space mo, yung life mo, pati yung mental clarity meron. Kasi wala ka na masyadong iniisip na gamit bagay sa buhay mo. 'Di ba? There is also, maaring may opportunities for you to start a business partnership or an investment. However, kailangan mo tong pag-aralan. I-double check. I-background check mo. Lalo na kung meron kang investment na papasukin or business partner na sa kakasamahin. May business partner na, mag-i-invest ka. But some of you, Aries, nagkakaroon ka ng realization of what you really want in your life. Like, ano talagang gusto mo na marating. there's some sort of clarity here, no? Naliliwanagan ka. Naliliwanagan or maliliwanagan ka na. What is the 8th house energy? The King of Cups. You're becoming more spiritual, Aries. Maaring meron kang bagong belief system or mas pinatitibay mo ang belief system na meron ka. You may be using different forms of divination. What is 2nd house energy? Wow, 6 of Wands. This is success. I feel like parang meron kang madidiscover na bagong pagkakakitaan na doon ka mas magiging successful. Pwede tong sa social media or public speaking, wherein nakikita ka, no, ng mga tao like performance, entertainment, ganyan. Kasi 2nd house is also your assets, your talents. Ay, asset mo yan eh. What is the 12th house energy? The Hierophant. Wow. The Hierophant, this is your wisdom, your knowledge. So yung iba sa inyo, Aries, meron kayong kakayanan na maging mentor, teacher, coach, na i-share nyo yung knowledge ninyo, yung spiritual practice ninyo, yung belief system ninyo, yung inyong ang tawag dyan, yung paniniwala nyo, no? Yung inyong mga pananaw sa buhay. Some of you, pwede nyo tong maging source of income. Like for example, ikaw ay isang coach, life coach, o gagawa ka ng books, tapos to share your knowledge and skills about something. And pwede kang kumita doon, syempre, 'di ba? With your books. Some of you naman, I see commitment. You are committing yourself. Meron kang kino-commit na there can be relationship with someone or parang advocacy, no? Iba sa inyo, paano ba pronounce yan? Advocacy or advocacy? Advocacy. So, parang you are inclined to helping others. You may also be, parang meron kang healing powers. Like, yung mga healers can be doctors, nurses, nasa medical field, or spiritual healer. Na yun yung destiny mo. A new romantic cycle begins. Maaring may bagong person na darating sa buhay mo. A personal issue reaches resolution. Personal issue, anything na gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon, nagkakaroon ka na ng clarity. Meron ka ng solusyon na naiisip para sa personal mong problema. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. See you again.